All right, so I'm going to do question 1E, which going to tell you that is also a tough question, though it's not terrible. Now, this is an area here where reliably is not talking about Raven because it's reliably concluded from the evidence in source B. It's not asking about the source, it's asking about the specific evidence. Two reasons why. So the statement is access to healthcare in the US is among the worst in the world, often seen as true. They're saying, how can you not reliably conclude that from the evidence in source B? So, how can you cast doubt? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11 countries. So, there are hundreds. Well, there's 100 plus not shown, many potentially with worse access to healthcare. Okay, that's one reason. Does it ask for two? Yeah, give two reasons why you cannot reliably conclude this. And this is a 2-mark question, so if it doesn't jump out to you, then don't worry too much about it. But there's only 11 countries, so you can't conclude it reliably, okay? And then regular doctor or place of care, I would say having a regular doctor does not, well, no, let me say that opposite. Think y'all might see where I'm going. Not having a regular doctor does not mean the same as no access to a doctor or a place of care. I'm 44. I don't have a regular hospital. Doesn't mean I can't go to a hospital. I just don't have a hospital. I don't have to go to the hospital. Okay, if you're 22, you might be the same with a doctor, but you still have access to healthcare. Now, that doesn't mean it's not true. Let's see what else the Mark scheme had. Mark scheme also said, not being able to visit the same place of care on every occasion does not mean one is unable to access any health care. Okay, kind of what I said. People in the US do not have a regular doctor of care because they consult different primary care doctors for different conditions. Sort of, maybe, but yeah, that's plausible. Evidence refers to adults and does not support a conclusion about healthcare in general because children may have better access to continuity of care. And these are examples, so there are other possible answers as well, as long as they make sense. All right, so that one wasn't as bad as we thought.